Now, there is a very sad news about Junelle Bromfied, all the way from Jamaica. Lyles' fiancé, right? Welcome to the YouTube channel. In case this happens to be your first time, make sure to like and subscribe. So, Lyles' fiancé, Junelle, Lyles' next wife to be, upcoming wife. There is a very sad news about Junelle, and I'll break down every single detail because trust me, guys, when I saw this news, my heart was totally broken. My heart was totally pissed, and I will share with you what is really going on with Junelle because the news is very Junelle is not loved by Jamaicans. That is the honest truth. By the way, that is not the news. So Junelle is not really loved by the Jamaicans. Right now, Junelle has refused to go back to Jamaica. She is still in the United States of America. And there are so many reasons that contributed to Junelle still in the United States of America. Remember what happened last day? A news broke out. A controversy went viral that Junelle has been behind, or she is the reason why Lyles is hearing a lot of gossip about the Jamaicans. According to the Jamaicans, Junelle is like a newscaster to Lyles. She is spilling a lot of details about these Jamaicans to Lyles. Anyway, that's not the reason why I made this video. So the main reason why I made this video is because Junelle is trending right now on the internet, and the reason is because a verified source posted that the word on the street is that Junelle Bromfied is retiring from track. I am going to hold your hands and say this. This news is not really verified. This is all allegedly. So allegedly, Junelle, it is said that she is planning to retire. And these are the reactions. Someone says, it makes sense. Someone said, be nice. Someone said, not really surprised. Let's see. Someone said, it's not like she's gonna be missed. Serious? So young to retire? Might as well. He referred to her as mom on her IG. She is probably pregnant. This person is saying Lyles referred to Junelle that she is pregnant. He announced it on his Instagram. She should sorry that she never get to fulfill her dreams. She should feel sorry because she never get to fulfill her dreams. So these are some of the reaction to Junelle when the news broke out that she is actually going to retire, right? It is what it is. Let me hear your opinion.